Hi, I'm Rahma. And I'm Karima. And today we are going to do the How Well Do We Know Each Other challenge. We are twins, but how well do we know each other? We have sets of questions, and whoever gets one wrong, we're gonna smack them with whipped cream to the face. So, my first question is, what is my first ever favorite color? Purple. Oh my god. What is it? My first favorite color is black. Don't get it on my head. Oh, this is oh my god. This is what you get when you don't know your sister that well. Okay, next question. What is my favorite fruit? Fruit? This is a hard one. Where's the whipped cream? Banana? No. Oh my god. What is it? It's honeydew. What's honeydew? What is honeydew? No, I don't know what it is. Okay, stop. That's enough. I can't open my eye. Can I have a tissue, please? Yes, you can. I think oh my god. You have my shirt up. Here you go. I give you multiple pieces. There, I can open my eyes now. What was the first ocean we visited, and where was it that when we visited? Like where we visited? I don't remember the place, but I know what you're talking about. I know the ocean. Was it the Red or Indian Ocean? Pick one. The Indian Ocean. And where was it? That's not fair. Where was it? I know we were on a trip. I don't remember the name of the place. Okay, that's enough. If you don't, is it Mombasa? Oh my god. Why did you get it? Okay, yeah, it's right. You're right. Yeah. Okay, your turn. Okay, my next question. How did I get this mark on my forehead? Okay. True story. This is a true story. So we were at school and we had an after school club called 4-H, and we were going to the science lab, and Klima got pushed by someone and the door was like spiky. So then she fell on her head and then it cut her. So that's what happened. Yeah. Great storytelling. Yes, this is another question that involves scars and stuff. How did I get this scar somewhere on my eyebrow? A window closed on it. No, I wasn't done with my question. How did I get that scar on my eyebrow? And when did it happen? I remember it was at our grandma's house, and we were like 5 or something, and our aunt just came from work, and we were at the window looking, and I don't know if it was open. It was just like open, okay? And then I'm like, bye. I left her, and then the whole thing collapsed on her forehead. No, first of all, yes. We were like 7, not even 5. Well, sorry, still. And our aunt wasn't coming from work, she was coming from Ohio. Well, still, I still got the story. Next question. I hope you get this wrong. When did we have our first friend sleepover at our house, and when was it, and why? Friends or friend? Who knows? You have to be specific. Friends. It was our birthday. What birthday? No, you didn't. Was it our
Was it our 4th birthday? When
No,
was it?
it was like when we were turning 10. What? No, that doesn't count though. What? No.
Okay. When? Why?
Why? Because it was our birthday.
No, you still got it wrong. You got the when.
Okay,
wrong.
okay, just give me whipped cream.
Ready? Don't put a lot, please.
Just a little bit. Hurry up.
Oh no, what is your
What is the first state that we ever visited, and how old were we? I know we went to Michigan. We came to Michigan when we were about like 30. What? We were actually, yeah, it actually is Michigan, but we were 27 days old. Seriously?
Oh my
Can I
god.
please have the whipped cream? Here you go. And you get a plate too. Ta-da! I put a little bit for you. That here, okay? Oh no, my beautiful pen. Okay. Next question is, what is my favorite Pokemon? Or Pokemons? Pokemon or Pokemons? Just say one. Fine, one. Okay, your favorite Pokemon is Absol. Yeah. Two. Okay. But, okay. What is my favorite holiday? And why? Favorite holiday and why? Would birthdays count?
No, it won't.
Eid? No. Eid is like the only holiday we No. Thanksgiving? Yeah, but you didn't. Do we even celebrate Thanksgiving?
Yes, you
officially?
do.
Like,
Yeah, that's what you do in Thanksgiving.
that's enough. Stop.
Please, man, this is nice. I'm nice.
I wasn't ready. What is my favorite building to visit? Building. It's not a place.
Like where?
Like building. Just
You have to be specific.
like
where?
building. Could be like a school or something.
But where in the world?
In the only place that I live in.
Oh. What's your favorite building?
Yes.
Oh.
No.
What is it?
It's the library.
Seriously. So this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I have officially have whipped cream eyes. What about you?
Please like and subscribe.
It's wet.
Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.